Are you tired of deleting and recreating Gmail filters just to make a small change? Learn how to edit any filter in under 60 seconds. I'll walk you through the exact settings path and show you where to click to modify both the search criteria and the actions. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open the settings menu. Now, click on See All Settings to access the full settings panel. In the settings, click on Filters and Blocked Addresses at the top bar. Find the filter you want to modify and click on Edit. Update the filter criteria, then click on Continue. Now modify the actions the filter should perform, such as skip the inbox, archive it. Finally, click on Update Filter to save your changes. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.